In this video, I will be showing you how to create a wedding price list in Canva that looks like it was made by a professional designer. Let's get started. I'll begin on the Canva homepage by typing wedding price list into the search bar to browse the available templates. After scrolling through the options, I'll select this neutral modern layout and click on Customize this template to open the editor. First, I'll update the color palette by selecting the background and changing it to a soft sage green. To enhance the aesthetic, I'll go to the Elements tab and search for sage to find some delicate botanical graphics. I'll place these flower elements in the corners, rotating and resizing them to create a natural frame for the information. Now I'll focus on the typography. I'm changing the main heading to a more sophisticated font and adjusting the letter spacing to give it a premium feel. I'll also update the studio name and ensure all the text is set to a cohesive, dark neutral color. To add a bit more structure, I'll insert a rectangular frame, adjust its border weight, and use the corner rounding slider to create a softer, modern look. I'll move some elements to the back so they don't overlap with the text to keep everything legible. Finally, I'll search for a wedding illustration in the Elements library and place a stylized couple at the bottom to pull the whole design together. Now you have a professional, custom-designed wedding price list that is sure to impress your clients.